congratulations, dear student. Those who are staying in front of the TV set and mobile set and watching our online class. We have already started our online class. I also give you some advice. You must always keep your distance more than 3 feet and wash your hand with sanitizer and soap more than 20 seconds. Hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, now I shall teach you about tense. Tense is very important in every part of the English grammar. So I shall teach you easy technique to know the tense. Now I shall show you structure of the every tense, so that we can easily remember. We know most of the tense are similarity, have some difference auxiliary verb. Now I shall start. You follow it. We know there are 12 types of tense. I shall teach you only for structure of every tense. 1. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Future tense. One mean present indefinite. Is subject plus verb 1 plus object. One mean past indefinite. Subject plus verb 2 plus object. One mean future indefinite. Subject plus shall, will plus verb 1 plus object. 2 mean present continuous. Subject plus am, is, are plus v plus ing plus object. Object. 2 mean past continuous. Subject plus was, where plus v plus ing plus object. 2 mean future continuous. Subject plus shall be, will be plus verb plus ing plus object. 3 mean subject class has plus verb 3 plus object. 3 mean past perfect. Subject class had plus verb 3 plus before class subclass subject class verb past perfect tense. There are two types of structure you follow. If subject plus verb 2 plus after plus subject plus had plus verb 3. 3 mean future perfect. Subject plus shall have will have plus verb 3 plus object. Next 4 mean present perfect continuous. Subject plus have been plus has been plus verb plus ing verb plus ing plus object. 4 mean past perfect continuous. Subject plus had been plus verb সাথে ing plus ing plus object. 4 mean future perfect continuous. Subject plus shall have been oblique will have been plus verb plus ing plus object. Dear student, you must follow it and try to know the similarity of every tense. If you follow it, you will easily learn it and remember it. So again I shall say about the tense of similarity. Follow me. Firstly, present indefinite tense. Structure is subject plus verb 1 plus object, subject plus verb 2 plus object, subject plus shall will verb 1 plus object. Some similarities have only for sense is auxiliary verb. Subject plus verb first, subject plus verb 1, subject plus verb 2, subject plus verb 1. Next, subject plus manager verb plus ing plus object. Subject plus was verb plus ing plus object. Have some similarity only for sense is auxiliary verb. Am is a was. Shall be, will be, perfect tense. A subject have has verb 3 plus object. Subject had verb 3 plus before plus subject plus verb 2. Similarly, some plus subject plus verb 2 plus after plus subject plus had plus verb 3. Subject plus shall have will have verb 3 object. So similarly, only for sense is auxiliary verb. If you follow it, you will easily learn it. Only for sense is auxiliary verb. You can easily learn it and remember it if you follow the structure of tense. For being present perfect continuous, subject has been, verb plus ing plus object. Subject plus had been, verb plus ing plus object. Similarly, sub plus shall have been, will have been, verb সাথে ing, verb plus ing plus object, ing plus object. So, dear student, after completing in this technique, it will help you to know the structure of the tense. If you find out the tense, you can easily any type of grammar. So tense is very important for you if you want to know any type of grammar. So, dear student, you must practice it in your home. If you have faced any type of problem, I shall again teach you. No more today, see you again. Thank you.